You can order the oxygen sensors used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. We advise you to start your vehicle and let it warm up. This will facilitate the removal of the oxygen sensors and prevent you from damaging them during removal. Be careful not to burn yourself during the operation. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Ford F150 Car Battery. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Raise the front of your vehicle quite high, which will give you easier access to the oxygen sensors. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ford F-150 safely before carrying out this step. You can now view the oxygen sensors. On this vehicle, there are 4 oxygen sensors distributed over the 2 catalytic converters located on the passenger side and on the driver's side. On each side, there is an upstream oxygen sensor located at the upper end of the catalytic converter and a downstream oxygen sensor located on the catalytic converter. Each oxygen sensor can be removed the same way. Trace the electrical lead from the damaged oxygen sensor to the electrical connector and disconnect it by pressing the retaining tab and pulling the terminal. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Then, using a 22mm wrench, unscrew the oxygen sensor located on the catalytic converter. Finish unscrewing by hand, then remove. You can order the oxygen sensors used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Get the new oxygen sensor and remove the sensor protection. Put it back in place on the catalytic converter, then screw it back on. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. You can purchase the parts we used here by visiting our website at CarParts.com. Reconnect the oxygen sensor. Then, place the cable on its support to prevent the boot from melting and allow the sensor to operate properly. Then, you can rest your vehicle on the ground. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.